What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you guys who are new here, my name is Ryan and this is my 2008 Nissan 350Z. So today this video is going to be a little bit of something new actually. It's going to be introducing what the channel is going to become and what the build plans are for the Z. And if you guys are subscribers, you might notice that it's been a long time since I've showed the Z, and the last time I showed the Z it was completely stock. A lot has happened, so I'm going to go over everything I've done to the car and what the plans are. So I live in Camarillo, California, but not much longer. I'm actually opening up my own shop. As you can see on my roof, the banner is Devoted Auto Works, Style and Performance. That's gonna be my shop, but you know, California's just so expensive. My lease is almost up and I gotta get out of here. So I actually just decided to move out to Houston, Texas. Went out last weekend, found a place, and making the move this next week. So super excited for that. If you guys are in Texas, comment below. Let's see who's out there. Maybe we can meet up and work together. For those of you guys who don't know me, I am an automotive photographer and videographer, professional. I worked with a few companies such as Tesla and Nissan, was posted on Business Insider, but none of that really matters. I'm here to show you guys what I'm gonna do to the Z, and let's talk about it. So the plan is to move out to Houston, open up my own shop, and just start banging out content for you guys. I've been really slacking, haven't been able to do a lot of content. A lot of the stuff that I was posting was just individual photo shoots or video shoots that you guys might have seen. A lot of stuff I did was contracted, so unfortunately I wasn't able to post it. So that kind of sucks, but I'm gonna start doing a lot more content for you guys and you know, just show you a little bit more of day in the life, some vlogs, working on the car. And if you guys are entrepreneurs like me, then you might see a little bit of behind the scenes on how I'm building my business and what the plans are for it. So to jump into that a little bit, we won't go too much because I want to make future videos going into that. But Devoted Auto Works is going to be a full spectrum shop. We're going to do style and performance, so you could drop your car off straight from the factory, get it lowered, put some new wheels on it, throw some window tint, maybe a roof wrap or a whole body wrap. Or if you're into performance, you drop it off, you have some performance mods you want, we'll go ahead and order it, get it installed for you guys, and send you on your way. Hopefully, down the line, we'd like to maybe have a dyno, do some performance tuning, stuff like that, but you know, we never know where it's gonna go. So, other than that, let's go ahead and just jump into the Z. Let's talk about what's been done to it. Starting here in the front, it's not a stock bumper anymore. I am running the 370Z Nismo style front bumper. My shop actually did a emblem delete right here, so there used to be a spot where the Nissan emblem went, but we put some Bondo and cleaned it up and primered, sanded down, ready for paint. Jumping into the hood, this is a carbon fiber vented hood. I got it off of a buddy of mine. He kicked me a sweet deal on it. It does have a crack, but that's all right. I'm gonna wrap it anyways. Don't really like the look of exposed carbon. I might actually just keep the vents exposed. Jumping into these are just some push pin hideaway hood pins that I got off of Amazon. If you guys are interested in them, they're around like 50 bucks. Don't really know the name, but I'll go ahead and link them below. Right here I have some depot headlights. They're aftermarket HR headlights. They're blacked out already, so that's pretty nice. Might do some other RGB lights in them or change up the color once I go unwrap my car. Other than that, you jump down into the wheels. These are some 370Z Nismo Rays, Rays Engineering wheels. They are forged, they are real. That's a big plus for me. Before on the car, I had some Cosmos XT006Rs. Really nice wheels. They were in black chrome, so that's the plan for these. I plan on repowder coating these maybe into like a black chrome or into a polish look. Complements the San Marino blue really well. Jumping into that, actually, I do plan on keeping the car the same color. So when I'm ready to wrap it, I'm gonna do a full wrap on the car and I'm gonna keep it that San Marino blue. I think a company named Inoza Tech makes like a midnight blue that looks like paint. It's very comparable to the stock color. Over here we have a little sticker from my company, the Devoted Company, and it is a small chrome red heart that says Devoted in Japanese. Got to keep it true to its heritage, being a Japanese car. Making our way up to the roof, I went ahead and did an Avery Dennison gloss black sun visor, as well as an Avery Dennison full black roof. This car, when I got it, was super chipped up on the roof, and it just was looking terrible, so I had to sand it down, primered it up, and I threw a nice gloss black roof wrap on it. Making our way to the back, we have Extreme Contact Sports on the tires, 285 in the rear, and the front, they're actually the stock tire off the 370. They're Eagle Sports by Goodyear, which are 245, but I do plan on running a 255 just to fill in this gap a little bit more. Oh, here's another thing. If you guys are planning on running these Rays from a 370 onto a 350, I learned the hard way when I went and picked these up. I learned that you have to have spacers for them. So I actually had to pick up some Z1 Motorsports extended studs and 15 millimeter spacers, and threw those on, and luckily it cleared, or else it will hit that control arm, and no good. I had to figure it out while I was there. I actually swapped my wheels with the guy out in a parking lot and learned the hard way. Had to go searching around at an AutoZone until I found some spacers just to throw on real quick just to get me home. Other than that, engine is completely stock. I did have some K&N intakes on it, but I took those off. Just running a Mishimoto aftermarket radiator just to get some better cooling. I cracked mine up in the canyons one day, hit a bump too hard, or I think I hit a rock, not too sure. But if you guys have HRs or you guys are looking to get a Z, definitely go the HR way. You have DE versus HR. Big performance difference. I recommend you guys look more into it. If you want to see a video explaining what the difference is, comment below. And there are a lot of videos actually out there. So, but yeah, HRs have some cooling problems. They get hot sometimes. So this carbon fiber hood with the vents is definitely a plus, as well as the aftermarket radiator. So coming into the back, I have a Nismo spoiler. Picked this up for super cheap. I was thankful enough not to pay full price for it, which is good because they go for a lot of money. Then looking at the back, I did do a bumper cut. I did this the other day. I actually have a brand new bumper coming in. I got to go pick it up this week actually. It's the 370Z Nismo style rear bumper to match the front bumper. For exhaust, I'm just running Z1 Motorsports Y pipe, and I have a muffler delete. Nothing too crazy, sounds good. Onto this sticker though. So the whole inspiration of this car is OEM Plus. I wanted to keep it OEM Plus, make it look like it came out of the factory, but you know, give it a little bit more of a sporty look than just the stock look. So once it's all said and done, once the wheels are powder coated, the brakes are upgraded, and the car's fully wrapped, I think it's gonna look really nice. But I do have a sticker on the back built in memory of Rene Joseph Lopez. That's my dad. When I was little, he actually was with me when I saw the very first 350Z, and I talked about it and I said, oh, you should get one of those cars. And he said, hey, maybe one day we'll build one. He's the one that got me into these cars. So yeah, nothing too crazy on the car, but going into what I plan on doing for the car, it is gonna be built one day, I hope. I plan on doing a VQ 37, so probably out of a 370, and I'm either gonna do a VQ 37 with the HR heads and go turbo on that, or I might do like a high compression NA build, not too sure yet. My main goal for this car is just to get it dialed in on exterior, and then once it's done and I get a new daily driver, because this is currently my daily driver, then I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up, pull the motor, and start getting to work. So yeah, just kind of wanted to update you guys. You know, it's been a long time. Want to let you guys know I'm going to be producing a lot more content for you guys. I have some exciting plans, some build breakdowns of some people's cars, and some more edits for you guys, as well as some behind the scenes of building my shop and getting things off the ground for that, as well as additional mods every time. Not every time, let me say, but a lot of the times, if it's something I think is interesting and I can film it and there's not a lot of it out on YouTube, then I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Other than that, all I've done is just maintenance. I've done O2 sensors, starter, just the new radiator, but yeah, nothing too crazy. This car has treated me very well. I've had it for 3 years. I bought it with 100,000 miles and it currently has 146. Treated me really well. Haven't had to do anything other than just some minor maintenance. But before I go, guys, I want to just do a nice little edit for you guys, so go ahead and enjoy this edit. guys enjoyed that edit. Thanks for tuning into today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see. Go ahead and comment below, like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And we're going to produce a lot more content for you guys. So once again, thanks for tuning in today. See you on the next one.